Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I made these donuts with white lines. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, click the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell to be getting a lot of my new video. Let's start. 500 grams of flour, a tablespoon of yeast, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 3/4 cup of sugar, 50 grams of butter, a teaspoon of milk flavor. This is milk flavor, you can see it. This is milk flavor. A teaspoon, half teaspoon of vanilla flavor and warm water. A pinch of salt is you're good to go. Mix all ingredients together and you start adding your warm water bit by bit as you mix. Mix very well and you bring it out on your work surface and begin to knead. Take your time to knead it very well. After kneading, return back to your mixing bowl and you cover with your kitchen towel for up to 15 to 20 minutes before you start sharing out your dough. Sprinkle a little flour on your work surface. Bring out your dough, share out into 6 pieces. You can share out legs, but to get the white line, those white line you saw, you need to share it out into 6 for this 500 grams of flour. So okay, take your time to mold it and you place on your baking paper to rise. After molding, cover it to rise. You can see this dough is already doubled in size. You can see it's time to fry on a low heat. Make sure your oil is not too hot. Fry on a low heat. If today is your first time of watching my video, click the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. Also open up the all notification, click on all notifications to be getting alert of my new videos. If I post any new video, you will get an alert. To my old subscribers, you're welcome back again. Don't forget to like my video. Feel free to comment and also feel free to ask questions. You can see our donut is ready. You can see those white lines. Those white lines are there. You can see those white lines. They are there. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Bye bye.